Why are people's social media profiles so bad? Let's face it, we know that if someone's going to work with you, there's a good chance that they're going to search for you online and find, for example, your LinkedIn profile, which is written, after all, by you. So why are so many of them written so badly? Why do people put something like, I've been working in insurance for 27 years, instead of writing, I am an insurance expert? Surely the second one comes across much better. And why is it that people will post photos that look like they've come out of a horror scene because there's half an arm hanging over them because they cropped a holiday picture when they were sunning it in Marbella? We all walk around with digital cameras in our pocket all the time. Surely you can take a decent photograph for your LinkedIn profile. You know, we're not all media personalities. If you Google David Beckham, there's a very good chance that most of what's written about him is written by other people and journalists. But when people Google you, chances are 90% of what they find was written by you. If you're the writer, at least make it good. At least roll the dice in your own favour and make sure that it works for you. We all know it's important, so make sure you do it properly and sort your life out. Well, at least your social media. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment box. And to receive regular marketing updates, hit subscribe.